So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can format your text while commenting on any videos on YouTube. So first of all, you need to install Tubebuddy, which is an extension for your Google Chrome browser. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. And so after you install it, you just need to sign into your Gmail account, which is associated with your YouTube account or YouTube channel. So after you do that, you will see this kind of thing, these options, whenever you type a comment. Okay, so let's type a comment. So I have typed the comment, and now you just need to highlight the comment part which you want to format, and then click on this thing. This is bold. If you click this, you're gonna see bold. So this shows the preview here. So wow is now bold. Now let's go to this second part. That's amazing. And then we'll choose this italic. Okay, so in this preview you can see it's already changed. So now the last part, click here and it's strike through. So if you click on the last part, it's clear formatting. It clears all the formatting. It changes the text into just normal text without any effect, okay, any formatting. After that, you can also add emojis. So here is the icon for emojis. Click here, and yeah, you can choose any of the emojis. Okay. So you have categories here: nature, food, travel. So whatever you want, you can choose. Okay. And then just click on comment. Okay. Now you can see that there is this effect. So this is bold, this is italic, and this is strike through, and these are emojis. That's how you do it. For now, I'll delete the comment. It's just for the purpose of tutorial. Okay, so this is how you can format your text into bold, italic, strike through using Tubebuddy. So thanks for watching.